This is also why BYD is renaming it in some countries. In places like Brazil and Mexico, this car is being sold as the BYD Dolphin Mini. Why? To position it as a premium small car, not just a cheap car. And in those markets, it costs more. In Brazil, the Dolphin Mini launched at around 100,000 reais. That's almost $20,000 USD. That $11,000 car easily becomes an $18,000 or $20,000 car after shipping and import taxes. Is it still a good deal at $20,000? Honestly, yes. An EV with 200 miles of real-world range and this much tech for $20,000 is still something most brands can't offer.